Hello everyone, today let's see how to make a quick and easy Subway style tuna sandwich for school or office lunch. Let's take a can of tuna and drain it well. Pop it into a bowl and break the tuna chunks really well with a fork. Now let's add mayonnaise to this. If you do not want to use mayonnaise, then you can substitute this with spreadable cream cheese. Now let's mix it thoroughly. We can use any type of long and soft bread for this. Let's cut this open. I'm spreading cream cheese as a base for my sandwich. Now we'll scoop our tuna mix and spread it gently. You can also add some cheese slices if you prefer. Let's add some shredded lettuce and tomato slices. You can even add a dash of oil and vinegar, but I'm skipping it. Some extra mayo, and that's it. Let's wrap it. For younger children, you can cut this into two and send just one for school lunch. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more easy to make and easy to eat school lunch ideas.